Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you today how to use Sora AI. So let's get into it. So OpenAI has just released a text to video creation model, and it is really breathtaking. So openai.com/Sora, and you can see it just over here. These are some of the videos that have been generated. You can see that this detail is absolutely insane, and this is an AI generated video with a simple prompt. Now, currently, OpenAI Sora is in the beta phase, so it's only accessible to the red teamers to assess its critical areas for any harm or risk. Now, if you jump into help.openai.com and you run down and look for an article that says how to access Sora, you'll get onto this page, and you can actually go ahead and start reading through here so that when it does become more accessible, you will be able to access it and start using it. So having a look at OpenAI's ChatGPT, if you are currently using ChatGPT 3.5, you will not have image generation, but if you are using GPT-4, you will have the image generation capabilities, and it'll work more or less the same. So what you would do is you would type in your command, and you will now get a video instead of an image. So that would be basically how you would be accessing Sora, and that's how you would be using it. But for now, it is, as I said, only available to a certain group of people. But jump onto openai.com/Sora and go and have a look at what they're actually producing with Sora. It's actually insane to think that this is generated by text. Like, if you have a look at just the command, it's a detailed command, but this is literally as detailed as it gets. If it gets any more detailed, I mean, I don't really know if it can. Anyways, so you're going to jump in and go and check it out, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.